Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to translate a YouTube page on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, open up your web browser and navigate to the YouTube website by typing youtube.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Step 2. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, simply right-click anywhere on the screen. A small menu will pop up with a few options. Step 3. From the menu, click on Translate To. This action will trigger a drop-down list of available languages. Choose the language you want the YouTube page to be translated into by clicking on it. Bravo! YouTube will instantly translate the entire page into your selected language. Now you can enjoy browsing videos and reading comments in your preferred language. And that's all there is to it. Translating a YouTube page on your PC is as easy as 1, 2, 3. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.